asked them why, they said his parents did not want their son to be friends with a black person. I was so sad because we were so alone. Oh, nope, we were so close.
Oh, I would be sad too. Me too, Dr. King.
It was sad. My parents and my faith taught me the importance of love and treating everyone with love, dignity, and respect. But as I got older, I realized that some people love to hate others, especially if they see them as different. But I knew in my heart that this wasn't right, and I decided that I wanted to make a difference.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Being determined to make a positive difference helped me to stand up for Rosa Parks during the Montgomery bus boycott. It helped me to walk the Edmund Pettus Bridge and to continue the good fight, even when people beat me up. It helped me to stand with Bishop Woods when he was protesting against the city bus system in Birmingham. And it inspired me to keep up the good fight when people were killed because of the color of their skin. Practicing nonviolence is not easy, but it is necessary because if we don't love one another, especially our enemies, we cannot create real positive change. Making a difference comes from a place of love must be the foundation of what we do. Years ago, in August of 1960,